Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I am going to go through this fault code here, 2F9E DME oil level. Obviously you'll get a warning on there at times, and sometimes you may not. It's to do with the oil level sensor, and that's at the bottom of the engine where the sump is. Now this is a 2-litre BM petrol template, but it's common in the petrol world. Even in the diesel, it doesn't matter what car it is, it's quite a common issue. But this is to be this is to do with the sump at the bottom of the engine. There is a sensor, and this is what the picture looks like. It's to be found here. You can buy, I would highly recommend buying genuine OEM stuff, not aftermarket. I've said it in most of the videos, to be fair, and that's what I would recommend. It's easy, very easy, but some will say, okay, that'll drain the whole oil. Yes, it will. There is ways around it, but realistically, drain the oil, do it properly, do a service, might as well at the same time. Just makes it better for yourself, in all honesty. Them two bolts, take it off. It's just a case of plug and play, and that's it really. Nothing to worry about. You don't need to code it in. You can do a full scan and clear on from the diagnostic side of it, but you don't have to worry about it.